Paris Fashion Week (PFW) is one of the most prominent and influential fashion events in the world, held semi-annually in Paris, France. As a part of the global Big Four fashion weeks alongside New York, London, and Milan, Paris Fashion Week sets the stage for designers to present their latest collections to an audience of industry insiders, including fashion editors, buyers, celebrities, and influencers. Paris has long been considered the fashion capital of the world, with a rich history that dates back to the 17th century when the city became synonymous with luxury, elegance, and sophistication. The inception of Paris Fashion Week can be traced back to the mid-20th century, evolving from exclusive haute couture shows to a comprehensive event encompassing ready-to-wear, prêt-à-porter, menswear, and haute couture collections. Paris Fashion Week is organized by the Fédération de la Haute Couture et de la Mode, FHCM. The event is divided into distinct segments: Haute Couture Week, Men's Fashion Week, and Women's Ready-to-Wear Week. Haute Couture Week is held in January and July, showcasing bespoke, handcrafted garments from elite fashion houses such as Chanel, Dior, and Givenchy. Haute couture collections are characterized by their extraordinary craftsmanship, intricate detailing, and use of luxurious materials. Men's Fashion Week takes place in January and June, presenting the latest trends and innovations in men's fashion from both established and emerging designers. Women's Ready-to-Wear Week occurs in February, March, and September, October, featuring a wide array of designers who unveil their seasonal collections to the global fashion community. This segment is the most prominent and draws the largest crowds and media coverage. Paris Fashion Week is renowned for hosting some of the most illustrious names in fashion. Iconic fashion houses such as Louis Vuitton, Saint Laurent, Balmain, and Balenciaga regularly showcase their collections, setting trends and pushing the boundaries of creativity and innovation. The event also provides a platform for up-and-coming designers, giving them an opportunity to gain international recognition and establish their brands. The collections presented during Paris Fashion Week significantly influence global fashion trends. Designers often use the event to debut new concepts, fabrics, and silhouettes that shape the direction of fashion for the upcoming seasons. The collections showcased often serve as a source of inspiration for high-street brands and other designers around the world. Paris Fashion Week is not just a showcase of creativity, but also a major economic driver for the city and the global fashion industry. It attracts thousands of visitors, including buyers who place orders for the upcoming season, fashion journalists who cover the events extensively, and celebrities who bring additional media attention. The event generates substantial revenue through tourism, hospitality, and retail sectors, underscoring its importance beyond the realm of fashion. In recent years, Paris Fashion Week has embraced technological innovations and sustainability initiatives. Designers are increasingly incorporating digital presentations, virtual reality, and live streaming to reach a broader audience. Sustainability has become a crucial focus, with many designers and brands prioritizing eco-friendly practices, ethical production methods, and the use of sustainable materials. Paris Fashion Week has been the backdrop for numerous memorable moments that have left an indelible mark on fashion history. From Alexander McQueen's dramatic and avant-garde shows to Karl Lagerfeld's grand productions for Chanel, the event has seen extraordinary creativity and innovation. These moments have helped solidify Paris Fashion Week's reputation as the pinnacle of fashion excellence. Like many major events, Paris Fashion Week has faced challenges, particularly in light of the COVID-19 pandemic. The pandemic forced the fashion industry to rethink traditional runway shows, leading to an increase in digital and hybrid formats. These adaptations have demonstrated the resilience and adaptability of the fashion industry, ensuring that the show goes on despite global disruptions. Media coverage and the presence of fashion influencers play a critical role in amplifying the impact of Paris Fashion Week. Fashion journalists and bloggers provide detailed reviews and analysis, while influencers offer real-time updates and personal insights through social media platforms, reaching millions of followers worldwide. This symbiotic relationship between the fashion industry and media ensures that the collections showcased at Paris Fashion Week receive widespread attention and coverage. Paris Fashion Week serves as a hub for networking and collaboration, bringing together designers, buyers, journalists, and other industry professionals. It provides a unique opportunity for stakeholders to forge new partnerships, discuss trends, and explore business opportunities. The event's bustling atmosphere and vibrant energy make it an essential destination for anyone involved in the fashion industry. Beyond the runway shows, Paris Fashion Week includes a variety of educational and cultural events. These range from panel discussions and workshops to exhibitions and parties, offering attendees a comprehensive experience that goes beyond mere fashion shows. These events provide deeper insights into the fashion industry, its challenges, and its future directions. As Paris Fashion Week continues to evolve, it remains at the forefront of the fashion industry. Future editions are likely to see further integration of technology, an increased emphasis on sustainability, and a continued celebration of diversity and inclusivity. The event will undoubtedly continue to shape the global fashion landscape, maintaining its position as a beacon of creativity and innovation. Paris Fashion Week is more than just a series of fashion shows. It is a celebration of art, culture, and creativity. It brings together the best of the fashion world, offering a glimpse into the future of style and design. With its rich history, influential presence, and ongoing evolution, Paris Fashion Week stands as a testament to the enduring power of fashion and its ability to inspire and transform.